This is BB Ventures Art. I'm here to train you on another new designs of art where you can use your carryboard and your plates to make art. In this work, I need my carryboard. You can use your Indomie carton to do it. You get your plate to cut the design out. I need my cloth. This is apochi. I need cremolini or any cloth I want to use to design it. This button to design it. Very simple design. And then you need your needle and thread. The first thing you do is that take your plate, put it on top of your carton or your carryboard. Then you take your biro, you cut the round shape out of the plate. You take it out. Take your scissors, cut the shape out. You can see it, let it be flat, very flat. If you want it to have more weight than this, you can cut two and gum them together. If you are using Indomie carton or biscuit carton, it's stick already, you don't need to join. But this one, you can join two, you can use one. But I'm going to use one for us. I'm using apochi. Take your cloth, place it on it, then cut the one that can cover this cloth up. You can say, I've cut it out. Then you can turn it any side you want. You can turn it any side. Just make it smooth. Then, now take your needle and thread. I'm going to do my hemming around the cloth. You can bend it like this, and then you can make it flat. See, now I've covered the paper with cloth. Look at it. Then I'm going to trim up. I will trim the remaining one up here before I tack it. Draw the thread together, then tack it. My cremolini, I'm using cremolini. It's at the mouth, then make a big bow. Then the remaining one, I fold it inside. I'm using a yard cremolini. You can see it. Place it on it and tack it. This is a button. It's like a button. Then place it. You can use pearls. You can use trim to make your own design. I'm going to make it round. Look at the design. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.